Hi, my name is Maggie, and you're probably thinking, what am I learning in these 50 PowerPoints that we've got here? Well, basically, what these are PowerPoints that we've actually done in our academy and that have earned a lot of money. But we have researched these. These are at least 10 to 15 years of research, and we've put these in our actual academy. And a lot of our students always come back because our teachings are extremely detailed. All right, let's get into how this will look. So once you purchase it, it has this, okay? And then with each and every single hyperlink, you press on that, and then the hyperlink will actually come and appear. Actually, I think I can do it. Let me just see. Did it. Okay, good. It will come out like this, okay? And then you go use template for new design. That's for you. And that's it. A wealth of information. Let's just click how many pages this has. Everything. This has everything for you. All yours to reuse, to even read. This is how it looks like. So that's a lot of years of information, a lot of money spent on our educators to give you this information. You don't need to do it. We've got it. I'm going to go through the courses with you. We've got a PowerPoint and a lot of information about acne, why it develops, how you can help it. We've got acrylic nails. We've got advanced chemical peels. This one is extremely comprehensive with a lot of skin concerns, with the percentages of what you use, how to use it, over 100 chemical peels that we actually talk about. It is extremely useful. A lot of people that have been in universities or in TAFE learning about cosmetology or beauty therapy, they do this course and they're like, I had no idea these even courses even existed, or these ingredients or chemical peels even existed. Let's go to the anti-aging real case study. So these are real people. We look at their photo and then we tell you what to do about it. And what we reread their faces. You could look at somebody's face and understand what is going on with just by looking at their face. For example, there's a photo in there, a woman in her 40s, her face is extremely dehydrated and she does yoga. So what does she need? What does she need to do on the inside and on the outside for skincare? And we discussed that. Of course, there's anti-aging food and drinks because what you have on the inside is what you have on the outside. Aromatherapy oil. Now, this is a massive, massive PowerPoint. I think there's like over at least 1,500 pages on that. That's huge. There's a lot of aromatherapy oils that you probably won't even hear about, and it's useful. Back facials. Who doesn't want a back facial? Basic skincare manual. This is going back to the basics, and a lot of people still in this industry look at that and they're like, I had no idea that even existed. I forgot about this. Now, BB Glow. Oh my God, for the love of you know what. Okay, BB Glow is not a tattoo. And we've gone into what to look out for BB Glow. And BB Glow is definitely no ink in there. So we talk about how to use it, what to do, and what it's about. And that made a lot of money. That made a lot of money. And if you're going to apply it to your clients or even teach it, that's the one to go to. Because if you don't know how to teach it, then you won't know how to sell it. Brow extensions, it's going to be huge. Brow extensions, Brazilian lymphatic drainage, which is completely different to the lymphatic drainage that you've got. We've got classic lashes. Everybody wants classic lashes in their menu. Dermaplaning, a dermaplan facial is something that I don't think I can live without monthly. It changes your skin, and I really do that well with skin needling. We've got at least, I think, 30 recipes on that, and they're like from old school, from the 80s. I remember my sister and me doing that for a long time, and these are really cool. Then we got a facial manual, and that actually goes through skin as well, and a bit of protocol. Facial skincare, another facial skincare. This is amazing. Like, a lot of people don't know what to use vitamin C for or vitamin K. Peptides, it goes through that. Now we've got Fibroblast, which is the plasma lift pen, and a lot of people want that. This is a great manual for it. Then we need to know a Fitzpatrick scale. If we're going to treat skin, you have to know what a Fitzpatrick scale is. Do not touch skin if you don't know anything about that. We've got a manual for gel nail extensions. We've got henna brows that is actually underrated, but that lasts at least 6 weeks, henna brows. Holistic skincare, we're going back to nature. We're going back to the actual natural goods that God has given us, and we're talking about holistic skincare. Then we've got the Poplar Hydra facial treatment. That is a great soft manual exfoliation. Don't forget about hair extensions. We've got LA weave / no weave technique. We've got 3 techniques in there. And this is for people that want to learn about how to have hair extensions in their hair, or even do it yourself. A lot of girls that buy this course, our video course, and then this PowerPoint know actually how to do hair extensions themselves. We've got lip tattooing as well. Even though we've taught that in the past, this is a premium service that you can actually do to teach or to even use yourself. By the way, we do not certify in this, so just keep that very clear. We can't certify you in this. This is just general information for you to use and to upsell, and general knowledge for you to have and to even use for yourself if you wanted to. We've got the OG lymphatic drainage. We've got mega volume application. This is all in Canva. Mesotherapy. We've got mesotherapy advice, microneedling. This is like all PowerPoints. This is a lot of information. I'm talking about, I can't even count how many pages there is. I think there's over at least 60,000 pages altogether. Then we've got the manual for microdermabrasion. This microneedling course is so jam-packed with information that a lot of people do our microneedling course because they know how in-depth we are, and then they keep buying all of our courses because of this PowerPoint and / because of the way we teach as well. So this is a great PowerPoint to have. We've also got nano ring hair extensions, which is another type. PRP, which we don't teach at Beauty Comes True, but this is the manual for you. We then talk about pigmentation. Pigmentation is a big thing, is the number one thing that we have to treat. And if the more information you know about pigmentation, the more clients you're going to get. Okay, this one's a massive one. This is the product, serum, and ingredients. And we're still going through this. This is at least 3 PowerPoints in one, and it is massive. It goes through ingredients and products. For example, there's peptides, there's beta-glucan, what it does. There's a lot of things I can't even explain. And it goes from Korean skincare to even the general skincare that you see. Okay, we're up to page 30. We're up to PowerPoint 35, which is the radio frequency manual. We got RF firming as well. This goes with it. We talk about salon hygiene that you need to know. This is a need. Then we got scalp micropigmentation. We've got skin whitening. Okay, a lot of people want their skin a little bit whitened. We can obviously tone it, but not whiten it 100%. But this is to help achieve a lighter skin tone naturally and everyday use. Then we've got skincare for acne. Oh, bless, I used to have acne. God, it killed me. The confidence was gone. This is from my own experience as well for skincare. So I've given you a lot of information on that, as well as our educators. Then we've got the skincare Bible. Detailed diaphragms, another set of skincare that we have is here for you. It's got to do with a lot of acne, wrinkles. We teach you what to do with nearly every single skin concern that we can even think of. Okay, you got the OG spray tan. Everybody wants a spray tan, doesn't want to be white. There you go. Stretch marks. People want to learn how to actually heal stretch marks. And I think we've got at least 30 ways to actually get rid of that. Then understanding body fat. And this goes well with radio frequency as well. Then we got the Vajayjay manuals, okay, how to perform facials down there. Then we got the wispy volume lash extensions. That's another set of styling that you might need. The Yoni steam, okay, you know what that's about. That's for JJ facial part 2. All right, we'll just keep it there. Then we got 100 beauty tips from the whole world, like what we've collected all together. Okay, we've got to do with your makeup. It's got detailed diaphragms, and it's got about skin. It's got with a lot of information to help you achieve what you want for your skin. And then we chucked in 100 bath tips. They're kind of like bath recipes that we have. And then we've got 100 makeup tips that we've used, and we hope you get it because we're going to regret giving this out because of the wealth of information. All right, I'm out. Let me know if you need anything. We've got so much other things to sell to you. We are eventually going to put video content in there for you as well to purchase. Look out for that because that's like you're doing it. You've just got an academy in literally one day, and you can resell that, reuse that, sell it as a course, do your thing. We're happy that we can help you make some money because the greatest thing in the world is to make money by yourself and just being there for yourself. And yeah, if you got a beautiful man next to you, that is also a wealth of information, then you guys could come home with full of ideas and just go from there. Because that was my goal in the first place, to have a beautiful man as equally as wealthy in the mind like me, and they need to be a hero in the heart and vice versa. That's how I feel like. Anyways, I got a bit personal there. This was my goal, and I hope you enjoy this video. I'm out.